The musty smell in your American Standard AC unit is most likely due to mold and mildew growth inside the system. Moisture accumulates, especially on the evaporator coil and in the condensate drain line, creating a perfect breeding ground for these microbes. Dirty air filters and ducts worsen the problem by restricting airflow and trapping spores. High humidity levels also contribute significantly. The evaporator coil is the primary site where condensation forms in the AC system. As warm air passes over the cold coil, moisture condenses and collects here. If the coil stays wet for too long, it creates an ideal environment for biofilm formation, which includes mold and mildew that cause the musty smell. The condensate drain line carries away the water that condenses from the evaporator coil. When this line becomes clogged, water backs up and creates a humid environment perfect for fungi like Aspergillus or Penicillium to grow. This fungal growth is a major source of the musty odor in AC units. Air filters and ducts play a crucial role in trapping dust and spores from the air. When filters become dirty, they restrict airflow through the system, which increases humidity levels inside the unit. This trapped moisture and spores provide a breeding ground for mold, contributing significantly to the musty smell. Properly functioning and clean evaporator coils, drain lines, and filters are crucial to preventing moisture buildup and microbial growth that leads to musty smells. One of the easiest DIY fixes for musty smells in your American Standard AC is flushing the condensate drain line. Start by using a wet-dry vacuum to clear any clogs that might be blocking the line. Then, pour a cup of white vinegar or a diluted bleach solution down the drain line to kill mold and mildew. Remember to mix bleach with plenty of water and never mix bleach with other chemicals. The condensate drain line is where moisture from your AC collects and drains away. Here's a diagram showing the typical setup with the P-trap and clean-out fittings. By performing regular flushing of the drain line, you can prevent future clogs and eliminate those musty odors from your AC system. Dirty air filters restrict airflow and trap mold spores. When filters become clogged with dust and debris, they prevent proper air circulation through your AC system. This creates stagnant air pockets where mold spores can settle and multiply. Regularly replace disposable filters according to your manufacturer's schedule. Most filters should be checked every 1 to 3 months, depending on your home's dust levels and pet ownership. Disposable filters are inexpensive and designed for one-time use. For reusable filters, clean them according to the manufacturer's instructions. This usually involves washing with mild soap and water, then allowing them to dry completely before reinstalling. Always follow the specific care guidelines to avoid damaging the filter material. Consider using high-efficiency particulate air, or HEPA, filters. These specialized filters can capture up to 99.97% of airborne particles, including mold spores and other allergens. HEPA filters significantly improve indoor air quality and are especially beneficial for households with allergy sufferers. If DIY methods don't resolve the musty smell issue, consider professional cleaning and inspection. HVAC technicians can thoroughly clean the evaporator coil with specialized cleaners and inspect for hidden mold growth. They can also identify and fix underlying issues, such as improper installation or poor drainage. For persistent musty smells in American Standard AC units, consider installing a UVC light in the system's plenum. UVC light effectively kills mold and bacteria on the evaporator coil by damaging their DNA. The UVC light is typically placed upstream of the cooling coils in the air handler, ensuring continuous disinfection as air passes through the system. Before and after comparison shows how UVC treatment eliminates mold buildup on the coils, preventing musty odors. Some newer American Standard models feature antimicrobial coatings applied directly to the evaporator coils. These coatings inhibit mold and bacteria growth, reducing the risk of musty smells by up to 70%. Maintaining proper humidity levels in your home is crucial for preventing musty smells and mold growth. When humidity is too high or too low, it can cause various problems, from condensation and mold to dry skin and static electricity. The ideal range is 30 to 50% relative humidity, and keeping it below 60% is essential to avoid microbial growth in your AC system. One effective way to control humidity is by using dehumidifiers, especially during humid months. A whole house dehumidifier system, like the Ultra Air shown here, can automatically remove excess moisture from the air circulating through your home, helping to maintain proper humidity levels and prevent moisture buildup in your AC unit. Proper ventilation is key to reducing moisture buildup. In bathrooms and kitchens, where humidity can spike quickly, install exhaust fans with appropriate venting options like sidewall, roof, or soffit vents. These systems, such as the angular vent shown here, promote superior airflow to remove moist air outdoors, preventing it from recirculating through your home and AC system. Finally, ensure your AC unit is properly sized for your home. An oversized unit can lead to short cycling, which doesn't effectively remove humidity, while an undersized one may struggle to maintain comfort. The comfort table here shows how temperature and humidity interact to affect how the air feels, helping you understand the importance of balanced humidity levels for indoor comfort and system health. The future of AC maintenance involves smart technology. Newer American Standard models are integrating with IoT platforms to predict and prevent musty smells through predictive analytics. Energy-efficient units with variable speed blowers also help reduce moisture buildup. Look for AI-driven self-cleaning cycles in future models for even better odor prevention.